Surrounded by piles of toxic, burning rubbish, 23 families call one dilapidated building home. They're tired of the conditions they live in, but they refuse to leave until they get a better deal from the landowner that destroyed other homes here to make space available for development. The residents of Phnom Penh's Borei Keila see it as a battle for their rights and a battle between rich and poor.
We're just villagers and we're fed up of being left behind. If we can't live like the rich, we just want to live here peacefully. That's enough for us.
The dispute started more than 10 years ago when the government gave the land to a property developer with close connections to the Prime Minister. Behind this huge gate is the headquarters of Panamex, the company at the centre of this dispute. It's also the home of the company's owner, Soisapan. We requested an interview with her, but didn't get a response. The government also didn't respond to a request for an interview. A deal was reached with some residents to move into new buildings on the same site, but after promising to construct 10, only 8 were built, not enough for everyone. Land disputes are common in Cambodia, and many of the problems stem from the late 1970s when the Khmer Rouge ran the country. During its violent rule, it destroyed records, and today the public has little or no access to official property information, meaning the state or big business can take land almost at will. People have the right to protest, but that's often met with violent crackdowns. Rights worker Am Samat was attacked by government security guards during a march a year and a half ago, and he is still being investigated for inciting the violence.
When people use their rights to protest, companies always use lawyers and the courts to put pressure on them, sue and arrest them.
Some families from Borei Keila were forced to relocate to a barren piece of land 50 kilometres outside the capital with no easy access to work or education. Among them was Kim SARAN, who, when she saw how small her new plot was, decided she couldn't set up home here.
We didn't volunteer to move here. My land is just 3 by 12 metres, so I can't even build a house on it. When we filed a complaint to the authorities, they ignored us.
Adding to the insecurity for those who moved, no land titles have been given to them, so the company can simply move them on again. For those who chose to stay at Borei Keila, that's a possibility they've been living with for years. Wayne Hay, Al Jazeera, Phnom Penh.